Hello world, I'm DJ VRgin. Welcome to the new Creative Technology channel. In this episode, we're going to be discovering the world of avatars. Technology is all around us. It shapes the way we connect, what we experience, how we get around. As we move into the digital era, everything around us will change fast, faster. But diving into the future unknown doesn't have to be scary. It isn't about robots or gadgets. It's about finding solutions to make the world a better place. But by doing that, we accidentally created a whole new digital world. We text our feelings, and we make our social media profiles the way we want to be seen. Now we are the creators, the shapers, the movers. We can become anyone we want to be, and I want to know who I am, so I decided to create myself, my avatar, with a little help from my friends. Let's do this. So we're here at VRHQ, where we're going to meet the person who is making me, Annabelle. Hi, have you seen Annabelle?
Can I please come back? She's coming back.
Hi.
Well, my name is Annabelle. I'm a 3D real-time artist at Noise VR and also as a freelancer, and I'm from Hamburg. I would love to have my job description changed to creative words, because that's what I do. I sit on the computer and I build things and make them look pretty. When I grew up, I always knew I wanted to do something creative and that I don't want to have an office job. Now here we are, but video games were kind of a big thing for me. I always loved being in another world. Later I found out you can study game art. I met the guys from Noise VR. They do interactive live concerts, and they showed me one of their concerts, and I directly fell in love with the project, and I showed them what I do. Avatar is a digital version of yourself. Creating an avatar, it's always, it really depends on what you want to get, because VR avatars are usually not a full body avatar. Usually I start up with some quick sketches to find some ideas and to know where I want to go with it. This time I had it into tilt brush to make like a more detailed sketch of it. So I get the proportions right. I can think about like problems that might occur in the design, because you sometimes have the problem it looks cool from the front and the back, but the side looks super boring. Like if you do it in VR, it's easier to make some design decisions. Do you wear bracelets on your ankles? Okay, so I put one golden one there too. And then I head into my 3D application where I do the actual model, and then I lay out the UVs. Like UVs, it's you can think of it like, imagine your skin is totally plain, like white, and I take your skin and unwrap it so I can paint on it. That's kind of gross, but that's how you do it. And then I go into usually Substance Painter to paint it, like to give it some color and materials. And then I build a skeleton into it so it can move and bend in the most possible and impossible ways DJ VRgin does too. What I like most about digital art is the freedom that you have with creating things. Like there's so many ways and possibilities you can create something. You can always make a step backwards and try it again. Like that's pretty cool. If you do a painting, that's not possible. You don't really have to be able to draw to do 3D. Like I've met people that suck at 2D. I suck at 2D actually. I'm not really good at painting, but I'm good at thinking in three-dimensional ways. When you do a creative job, you have to be a very diverse person. Like you have to get inspiration from several sources. Anyone can be a 3D artist. I mean, it's like with everything else too. If you really want it, you can do it. Like, that's the kind of thing. A little bit of creativity you should have, but if you want to go in that direction, I'm pretty sure you already have it. So just go for it.
Hi, I hope you had fun watching. Join me on more adventures as we discover this world of creative technology. Don't forget to like, subscribe, blah, 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 and see you next time. Bye! Outro, take